So my question is, come here. Oh, I just got ran. Yeah, it's not gonna do it. Oh, what the heck? Look at it. There it goes. There it goes. What's going on, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. My name is Ritz, and we are back with another Satisfactory episode. Today, the goal is surprisingly to do something pretty interesting, and we have unlocked a new transportation type. That is the truck station and the tractor. The tractor takes any fuel. It seems like it has 25 inventory slots. It is nicknamed the Sugar Cube, and it's just pretty sweet. We also unlocked the truck station, and I believe, I'm gonna have to test it real quick, but I believe tractors can go to truck stations, drop stuff off, and also pick stuff up. And before I get started with all this, you guys have kept telling me to look in the awesome shop for some special little item. And I did some research. I put in a ticket inside of the awesome sink. And if we look in the fix it specials, we have unlocked the cyber wagon. And unfortunately, I'm broke. I have no tickets, but I am going to favorite this because we will have to test this out eventually. And that's a pretty cool little Easter egg that they added in the game. However, while I'm sipping my coffee over here, we're going to set up a little area, test out these tractors and truck stations. And oh, look at this guy. All right. Drive tractor. I can drive it. Look at this little headlight. It's blinding me. So, oh, here we go, right here. Open workbench, and it has a storage of 25 slots, I believe, and then also has, oh, here we go, solid biofuel. So there's now some fuel in here. Oh, and it started. And if we go, look at that, we can finally get going. Now, I'm gonna test something out real quick. Let's see if we can use it on the racetrack. Oh, we can't. Can we go over it? Oh, we can get over it. All right, here we go. Instead of going on the turn, we're going over it. We're going over the turn, and I'm not sure if I could fit in here. I'm gonna get stuck. Help me, I'm stuck. All right, let's dismantle that. Back over here now, we're gonna place the tractor. All right, so we have the tractor, and then what I want to do with this is, if you remember from last episode, we made the Caterium. Is it called Caterium? I was getting shamed in the comment section last episode. I was calling it Caterium. Now listen, I'm gonna be real. I think it's called Caterium, but I'm pretty sure it's pronounced Caterium or Caterium. I don't know. One of the two. Honestly, I don't know. In the comment section, let me know if I pronounced it right this time. But I'm gonna say Caterium from now on. I think that's the right way to say it. However, so we made the Caterium farm, and I want to be able to take at least get it over here, but I want to eventually put it in storage so we can use it. So the goal is, I think what we can do is place these. We can place the truck stations down. The tractors come over here, pick up the items in here, and actually, I don't know how these work. So let's see. We have a maximum transfer rate, an outgoing transfer rate, a vehicle station data that has a fuel consumption rate, it looks like. Yes, the amount of fuel required for a vehicle to finish its route, power consumption, that's kind of self-explanatory, and then fuel. Oh, down here we also have the vehicle settings for unload and load, and I'm assuming there's an input. Yeah, there's an input for the fuel here, so we can have fuel coming in at a constant rate. So whenever the truck, I assume, comes by, it'll come over here and it'll get picked up, and it'll also pick up some fuel if it has any left over. And then here are the inputs, I believe, and they are the outputs for the trucks dropping off stuff. That's going to be super useful, and I'm actually really excited. So my biggest concern now is, how do we automate these trucks? Because we can obviously just drive ourselves, you know, we can drive, we can do all of this, but that's no fun, because we want to be able to automate all of this. Oh, press F to load cargo on tractor. Hold on, did I miss something here? Oh, here we go. Yeah. So if we press F to load, is that a manual? Oh, it's not connected to power, obviously. Regardless, so here we go. Press Q for open record menu. Alrighty, so to answer my question, we have the record menu, and here is where we can start recording, and this is where we can enable autopilot, delete path nodes, etc. My question is, if we start recording here, let's press Q again, it leaves start. Oh, there it is right there, the start. So let's put this in a little circle, just like this, and do we finish it by coming over the start? Oh, yes, we did. We can save that path, and let's name this test. We can then load the path by doing this. Now, theoretically, if we enable autopilot, it'll start going around. I don't think it's going. Why are we not going? Oh, enable autopilot. There it goes. Alrighty, so let's see what it does. It's gonna stop here, obviously. Pick up stuff if this was connected to power. It's gonna wait there for a second. There it goes. Drops off some stuff into the sugar cube. Now, what is it gonna do now? Does it wait, or is it gonna wait a long time? Oh, there we go. And then it's gonna continue going around in circles. That is amazing, guys. Look at it go. Look at it go. So my question is, come here. Oh, I just got ran off. The sugar cube ran me over and it drops off the goods. Awesome. So if we now turn off autopilot, which it is, oh, it looks like it automatically turns off autopilot. If we come over here and we look at this path, there is a path fuel per trip. And obviously it looks like it uses 2 solid biofuel per trip, which is honestly not too bad. It's not bad at all. My question is this. So obviously we can hook up truck stations to these sugar cubes, right? But I really want to put the AI to the test involving the jump pad, because the jump pads are superior transportation. Hear me out. What if we combine the transportations, right? Will it be able to land on this jump pad right here and go back and forth? Will it be able to do that? We're about to find out. I'm just going to put this here for test. That is not, how did that work? Huh? Excuse me? Back to my experiment. We come over here. All right. Now, can we set up a recording with this tractor? And we're going to put in some fuel. We're going to delete that test path. All right. So now let us start recording a new path. So here we go. We're going to come over here and oh, look at this jump pad right here. Oh, it works. It works. And you can go back and forth with it. All right. So that did it. So now if I come back here and finish the path, I want to see if this sugar cube is smart enough for it. So let's save the path and name it test jump. So if we load this path, and we enable autopilot, let's see what it does. Alrighty. And oh no. It doesn't do it. It doesn't do it at all. It doesn't know what to do. Sugar cube, what are you doing? Is it trying to get up there, but it has no path to get up there? Oh, I see. Yeah, it's not going to do it. Oh, what the heck? Look at it. Oh, there it goes. There it goes. Oh my gosh. It's just going to get it stuck in an infinite loop. Oh my God. And the poor sugar cube. It's stuck. I need to help it, guys. It's stuck. Oh my gosh. That's so funny. Well, at least we know it works. Sort of. It kind of like, since it couldn't meet this node, it seems to have like jumped. It's like it teleported with the way the recording did and it jumped over here. Oh my gosh, that is hilarious. I guess the automation's not going to work as much as I hoped with using these jump pads. It seems like the sugar cube has some dynamic, problems involving air transportation. I'm not sure what that's all about. So the next step for me is to build the entire runway, build the entire highway to the Caterium. Hopefully I'm pronouncing it correctly this time. And let me go do that real quick. Well, the solution... Oh, what happened there? Hello? The solution to me putting a highway system in this world is right up here. And I'm doing 360s. I'm Tony Hawk in this thing. So I built this thing up here. I don't know if this is going to be temporary, but I do know that this is where I'm going to transport my goods. And if you notice, I have done some testing and we have a rogue sugar cube going back and forth. Look at this guy. Look at him. He's moving. The sugar cube comes over here and it unloads its quick wire into here, and it's already bringing in some stuff in right now. And if that truck station gets full, it unloads it into this one right here. The goal is to probably have a few of these sugar cubes going back and forth. So we will follow it and I will show you where it's going. So I built this system. I'm not sure if this is the best way to do it, but this is the solution for at the moment. Is he catching up to me? Oh, yep, he's catching up to me. And what's wrong with you? Why are you not? Oh, I wonder if you ran out. What is going on with my cart? Did you run out of gas? Yeah, he ran out of gas. Here, I'll give you some gas. There you go, sir. And they're not going to bump into each other. Thank gosh. However, when I was building these ramps, I could never find a way to snap these correctly. So I wanted to build these road barriers, but you can see like it doesn't curve with the angle. And it was kind of annoying me, but I guess the railing will do for now. So let's see if we can catch up to the sugar cube. I'm not going to lie. I don't think I can catch up. Those guys are hauling. Oh, look, the blue power slug. I thought I got that. What happened to that? I guess we'll have to get it eventually. So it comes down here, and this is where the new Caterium was going in. And my cart is freaking out right now. I don't know what's going on. But the sugar cube comes over here, and it picks up all the quick wire that's being loaded in. All the quick wire is being loaded into the input right here. Here we go. Look how satisfying this looks. And you'll notice that one of these belts is not really producing 100%. It's because one of them is underclocked to only producing, I believe, 100. I think it's these two right here. Yeah, these two are not producing. That's 40 quick wire. This one's producing 60. So this one's only producing 100 while the other ones are producing 120, or at least they should. What is wrong with you? This one's only producing 60. Maybe I did my math wrong, but regardless, we have some quick wire coming in. That's the goal. Yeah, I guess I'm right. Anyways, we have all this quick wire coming in, and now we'll be able to load in. What are you doing, man? We'll now be able to take all of our quick wire for the Caterium and head over to our main base. I also did want to show you guys real quick just how I built this structure down here. It's pretty nice. I'm loving these pillars and how they're looking. It took me a while to build, and there's a tree in the way. Get out of the way. But I love how the architecture works in this game. I'm loving how these pillars are looking. I probably should have built this somewhere else, but this river down here is super neat. And now back at the base, we will have our Caterium for all of our future needs. And if I remember correctly, we go to the Caterium down here. We really wanted to push for power switches. We have yet to unlock what seems to be steel, but AI limiters I do want to start making because it seems like we're going to need a lot of them. And high-speed connectors. And what is that? That looks very new. I don't know what that is. Oh, hello, Mr. Sugar Cube. And we also have a smart splitter, and those also take AI limiters. So it looks like for these new features that make things, at least the quality of life things, a little bit easier, they all require these AI limiters. And I made this track for the AI to use, right? As you saw towards the beginning of the video, I was messing around with the jump pads, and I believe that I could make a far more efficient, non-automated form of transportation using these sugar cubes. Let's see how much she has. And oh no! Oh, I thought it would stop. Oh, not the sugar cube. Well, I'll take the quick wire and I'll take the fuel. This is gonna be probably just staying here. It's gonna be here as a monument. Oh man, I thought it would automatically start braking for me. What are you doing here? Are you checking out the sugar cube? Leave me alone. I didn't do anything to you. I guess we can test out our new weapon here. One shot? Oh, it takes 2 shots. I'm sorry, sugar cube. You're gonna have to just stay here. And you'll have some company with Mr. Bean right here. Don't leave him. Don't leave the sugar cube, Mr. Bean. One thing that I've noticed is underneath all of like these structures, there's like these, it almost looks like, you can zoom in a little bit here. It looks like these structures have like these internal structures. It's like almost as if this world wasn't natural. That is just something I also noticed is kind of building this area. What is happening? It's that guy again. I remember him. Where'd that growl came from? Oh no! Oh, I headshot him. I one-shot him. Thank you. And there goes look how fast he's going. Oh, what are these rods doing here? So back to the main objective. I'm going to mess around with the jump pads and I'm going to see what's going to work and what's not. Now, I'm also curious if those things have any effect on this guy. So let's try it out. Here we go. And it doesn't look like, oh, we can run through it. It's a jello sugar cube. Yeah, it doesn't look like he's having any effect on it. I guess I'm just going to mess around with the jump pads. All right, so let's look at where the landing zone is for this. It's going to be right here. So can I place like a landing pad area for this? Will this work? Can I like add a landing zone? Yeah, let's try this out. And then have the same angle on this, have like a little bit of a landing area, like so. Oh, it doesn't look like those are the same angles. Are they not? Well, regardless, this is going to help me test my hypothesis if this doesn't work out well. If it works out well, it works out well. All right, connect all of these guys up. It's not efficient, but it's okay. If we get in a tractor and let's open up the workbench, drive it. All right, let's see if this works. I doubt it's going to work. It's sort of working. It's sort of working. It's sort of working. There we go. There we go. Oh no, we're gonna hit something. Oh no. Oh no. It sort of worked. I count that as a win. I count that as a W. We gotta find our way back up there again. It just seemed like these guys were not going as far. So what if we change that to match this angle? Don't know if that's gonna work out the way I want it to. I don't think it's gonna work because I might hit the back of one of these, and that might cause issues later down the road if we want to keep getting more distance. But let's try it out. All right, here we go. Oh gosh, I hit the pole again. Dang it all. All right, we're moving the pole. For right now, let's just move it here. It's gonna be in the way. That's okay. I'll just come from this side. I don't want to move the pole. Come over here. And we go in. How did we not hit it this time? I didn't change that angle. I just got... Hello? I was ragdolling and I was able to delete it. All right, let's try this again. Here we go. And it looks like it's like unpredictable. I tried. I don't think it's gonna work. I wonder if the tractor is just too big. What if we go and pick up a, whatchamacallit, a factory cart? And this guy, I know, will go flying because we've experimented that before. Drop this guy. Why did it drop down so far? Now, here we go. Let's get a running start. 360 action. Okay, never mind. It's not gonna go. Here we go. Why is this not going? It's not going on the pad. It's not gonna go on the pad at all. Well, that's upsetting. Oh, there it goes. There we go. Oh, what? Yeah, I don't think it's gonna work. I think it's just meant for like players and stuff. Unfortunately, I don't think vehicles were ever meant to be in the question. Well, now we know. What happened to you? Well, you're not going anymore. Oh, no gas. Get going. Yeah, I'm gonna have to figure out a way to automate our gas here. But regardless, we now have a fully functional highway system that works pretty decently, to my knowledge. I'm not sure if there's any improvements that I can do. If there is, please let me know in the comment section below. But the biggest thing I wanted to do this episode was to get all of this caterium, not caterium, the caterium. I'm gonna say it so many times, the caterium over here so that we can start making some AI limiters. I wonder what happened with you guys. These guys, you look stuck. Oh gosh. Oh, okay, I'm sorry. Oh, there it goes. Oh, it auto fixes itself. That's pretty neat. Yeah, these things burn through biofuel, but they are super neat. And where are you going? Oh, you're going back around. You have a job to do. Well, everyone, thank you guys for watching. If you're new to the channel, please consider liking and subscribing. And I make funny content just like this all the time. And as always, I will see you guys in the next one. Peace out. Wait, where's it gonna go this time? Oh no, not the tractor. Not the tractor. How's it gonna get up there? I might have broken the game, guys. I might have broken the game. Where did it go? Oh, okay. As always, peace out, guys. See you later.